Hello grade 3, hope you are fine. Today our lesson is about the clock. Time to 5 minutes. Here we have the clock. Okay, the clock face. This round face called the clock face. Okay, we have short hand. This is for the hour. And the long hand for the minutes. The short hand for the hours and the long hand for the minutes. Okay? When I say when the short hand moves, okay, it moves 1 hour. Okay? Or when the long hand moves 60 minutes. Okay? Actually, we use table 5 to calculate the minutes. Okay, when the long hand stop or landing on 12, okay, it's exactly the hour. It's 10 o'clock. It's what? 10 o'clock. We divide this clock into 2 parts. Okay? Until we reach number 6. This is the past, and this is what? The 2. Okay? Okay. Let's see here. We have digital clock, means using the digits, and we have analog clock. Okay? Let's see here. How do we write this? Okay, I'm gonna use what? Table 5. This is for the first space is for the hour. The second one for the minutes. The shorthand point to 10. So I'm writing 10. The long hand or the minutes hand moves or landing on 3 or points to 3. 3 by 5 equals 15. So I'm gonna use table 5. 15. Okay. This is called the digital clock. I will write it in English. We make cross. 15 means what? 15 means quarter hour. Means what? Quarter hour. Look here. Quarter hour is 15 minutes. So I will write quarter. Quarter past. It's in the past. The past part. Okay? So it's quarter past 10. We make cross. Here we have. We write the hours first. This is, look here. Look here. What do we have? We have, look at the shorthand first, the hour hand. It's points to. Is it 10 or 11? It's when it's between 2 numbers, so I will take the smallest one. So it's 10. The hour hand points to 6. Make table 6. 6 by 5. Table 5. 6 times 5 equals 30. Look above. Half an hour equals 30 minutes. So we make cross. How do we write it in English? It's 10:30. We make cross. Okay, one more time. Look at here. We have here the hour. Okay, look at the shorthand. The shorthand, it's between 10 and 11. We take the smallest number. Okay, I write 10. Then look at the long hand or the hour hand. 9 times 5 equals 45. Make cross. Who can tell me? Is it in the past part or the past or 2? It's in the 2. Okay. I tell you, the 2 part is crazy. Make, let's see here, it's crazy for what? 45 means, we write quarter 2. When it's landing on 9, it's quarter 2. But not to 11, I will add 1 to the hour, because we haven't reached 11 yet. It's quarter to 11. So I call it the crazy part. Add 1 to the hour. Add 1 to the hour. Okay? Let's see the next one. Okay. Here we have. Look at what? In the first place, we write the hour hand. Landing on what? All points to 7. So I'm writing 7. Okay? Then what do we have? Okay, it's in 3 by 5 equals what? 15. Again, so I will make cross. Okay, 15 means what? Let's sing the song. 1 hour 60, half hour 30, quarter is 15, tiraram. Quarter is 15, tiraram. So I will write a quarter. Is it past or to? In the part of to or past, it's past. So I'm gonna write quarter to, quarter past 7. So I will write quarter past 7. Again, let's see here, point to what? The hour between 2 and 3. So I choose the smallest number. So I'm writing 2. Okay? Here we have the long hand or the hour hand landing on 6. Is landing on 6 or points to 6. 6 by 5 equals 30. Yes. Make cross. 30 means what? Half hour 30 means a half. So it's a half past 2. One more time. Let's see here. It's exactly the minutes hand on 12. So we have exactly 6 o'clock. So I'm writing 6:00. It's exactly 6 o'clock. So it's 6 o'clock. Okay. Look here. What do we have? 5. It's 5. It's between, actually, it's not yet 5. It's between 5 and 4. So choose the smallest number. And if we go here, 9. It's in the crazy part or the normal part? 2 or past? It's 2. Okay. So I can write, it's what? It's 4. Sorry. It's 4. Let's write here. 4. This and 45. 9 by 5, 45. I will write here. Sorry. Okay. 45. Okay. Make cross. 45. Once 45, it's quarter. We said the long hand in the 2 part. So it's quarter. I'm gonna write quarter. It's right here. Sorry. Quarter. Is it 2 or past? 2. To what? Add 1 to the hour. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So it's quarter to 5. Okay, let's see the next one. We have, it takes 5 minutes for the minutes hand to move. Each one, I will use table 5. Okay, one number to the next number of a number on a clock face. Okay, let's see here. Where does the minute hand point at 8:20? Why 4 by 5 is 20? So I'm gonna skip counting by 5s or using multiples of 5. Okay, let's solve this one. Look here, 7 by 5, what does it equal? 35. So it points to what? To 35. Again, look at the minutes hand. 5 by 5, 25. So it's 225. Again, what do we have here? Yes, 11 in the 2 parts. So it's crazy. Is it 3 or 2? Yes, it's 2. To what? To 55. 11 by 8 by 5 equals 55. So, again, look at the minutes hand. 8 by 5, 40. Yes. Then what we have here? 10 by what? 10 by what? 10 by 5 equals 50. And the 3, is it 3 or 2? No, it's between 2 and 3, so I will take 2. 250. Okay, let's see the next one. Here we have, write the time. Okay, look at the first one. Is it? It's in the 5. Is it 5? No, not yet 5. So if it's 5, so it must be exactly on 5. It's between 4 and 5. So it's what? 4 and 11 by 5, 55. Again, look here. The hour is 7. The minutes, 2 by 5 equals 10. Again, look here. It's between 6 and 5. We choose the smallest number. Look here. We have the shorthand or the hour hand between 6 and 5. So we choose the smallest number. So we write 5. 8 by 5 equals 40. Look here. It's 10. Points to the shorthand, points to 10. So I'm writing 10. 1 by 5 equals 5. Okay. Again, here we have. It's between 2 and 3, but I will choose the smallest number, 2. And the minutes hand points to 7. 7 by 5 equals 35. So I'm writing 35. Again, here we have, it's between 3 and 4. I'm choosing the smallest number. And 5 by 5 is 25. Okay. What do we have here? Draw the clock hands. In the first example, this is for the hour and this is for the minutes. Let's see here. The short hand points to 9. And the long hand points to 5. 5 by 1. Okay, yes. 11:25. Yes, it's 11. The hour, 11. And the minutes, 25. 5 by what number? Give me 5. It's 5 by 5. So points to 5. Again, 3:40. It points to 3. Between 3 and 2. 3 and 4. Okay? Then what do we have here? It's what? 40. 8 by 5 equals 40. Okay? One more time. 6:10. Okay, the shorthand points to 6. Okay, the long hand points to 5. By what number? Give me 10. 5 by 2. So I point to 2. Okay, again, the short hand points to 10. The long hand points to what? 20. 20 is, where is here? 5 by 4 equals 20. I'm sorry. sorry, here. Okay, 5 by 4 equals 20. I will clean this. So it's equal. Okay. Here we have the short hand points to 8. Then the long hand points to what? 10 by 5 equals 50. So points to 50. Okay. One more time. Let's see here. I'll solve this question. Look here. Answer the first one is done for you. What number will the minute hand point to when 35 minutes have passed? Okay. We said before, in the clock, we use table 5 or multiples of 5. Okay. Let's sing the song until we reach what? Until we reach 35. Let's see. Look at these hands. 5. Sorry. Let's see here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Stop. Let's see here. How many fingers have we got? I've got 7. Okay. Let's clean this. Okay. Again, one more time. What number will the minutes hand point to 10? Let's sing until we reach 10. Sing the song or using table 5. This is 5, 10, stop. How many of my fingers? I've got 2. So the answer will be what? Will be 2. Okay? One more time. We have here 20, the minute hand points to 25. Or 25 minutes have passed. Let's sing until we reach 25. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Stop. How many fingers have we got? Let's see. It's 5. So the answer will be what? 5. Okay. What number will the minute hand point to when 40 minutes? Okay, let's clean this. And see, sing the song until we reach 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, stop. How many fingers have we got? I've got 8. So I'm writing 8. So easy. What number will the minute hand point to 5? Let's sing the song. Okay. 5, stop. How many fingers? It's 1. So it points to number 1. Okay. Here we have the elapsed time. What does it mean this? It means how long does it take to make this thing or to do something? Okay. How long does it take me to do this thing or this activity? Okay. The start time, for example, 9. Then the minutes hand moves to 8. So I'm gonna use table or count by 5 until we reach. Okay. 8 times 5 equal 40. So she read for 40 minutes. So the elapsed time, the minutes, okay, to do this thing or to read this book. Okay. Look here, answer the following. A football match started, the start time is 3 o'clock. Okay, let's see the hands or the minutes hand. Okay, it's 45. Yes. Why? Because 9 by 5 equal 45 minutes. Okay, how long did the first round take? It's 45. 9 by 5 equals 45. Again, the start time to take the English lesson, it's 10 o'clock. Look at the minutes hand. Moves to 7. 7 by 5 equals what? Equals 35. So, English lesson took 35 minutes. Okay? Thank you for watching.